Stop through Instagram. I was most nervous about meeting new people. I think socialising got very difficult during the COVID times, but this week I felt that the event has been really, really COVID safe.
And Urban Strides have had all the measures in place that they needed.
The thing I've loved the most is just the whole experience of being with a group of people and just being free. My group has just been awesome and so supportive and like a little family, really.
And there's no judgment, you can be yourself and have fun.
When people are being supportive and positive and like talking about mindfulness, they're not paying lip service to that. That is actually the genuine ethos that is applied across Urban Strides.
I would describe Hip Hop Don't Stop as an incredible, amazing experience.
I would just say just do it because you won't regret it.